How to kick players off private server on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open private server on Roblox and scroll down to three dots and click on three dots, which will open this page. In Friends Allowed, make sure you turn off Friends Allowed. Then click on Server Members. After you click on server members, click on the cross sign which is beside the name of the person. Simply search for the person you want to kick and then click on the cross mark and they will be kicked from your private server. This is how to kick players off private server on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.